In this week's episode of Urban Exploring, we visit an old abandoned church. The All Saints Anglican Cathedral was built in 1856 and is a heritage listed building from the Gold Rush era. Unfortunately, a suspicious fire destroyed half of the building in August of 2025, following a long redevelopment dispute. When I visited the site, I could only imagine what the building looked like before the fire took place, its former glory of historic stonework. When entering the building, I was disgusted on what I see within the old walls. So much vandalism has taken place, it's an absolute darn shame to see it go in ruins and decay. The site has been central to controversy, with developers planning to redevelop the site. There is concerns about the site's preservation, falling victim to abandonment and decay. While standing in the street adjacent to the cathedral, a man approached me and told me about the church being an eyesore, and for it to be restored and redeveloped into a shelter for the homeless. The site was also famously known as the View Hill Church and held many weddings and events over its 100-plus year history before being decommissioned. Join me as I explore the abandoned building and is now left behind.
Welcome everyone, welcome to another episode of Werner's Adventures. Here we are, another abandoned building. Actually this one is church. Not sure if we're going to get into it though, but we noticed this. It's definitely abandoned because that window is broken up there. And I did notice a fence around here, but whether we can get in is another story. So let's have a look. Yeah, there's the door there. Looks like someone has tried to get in there. And the pigeons are up there on the roof. Alright, let's go to the front. Don't think we're going to get into this, but it'll still make a cool video. I mean, look at that church over there. How cool is that? Through there. There's a lot of churches here, actually. There's one over there. Wow. We got that one there as well, right in front of us. Then you have this, which is abandoned. The only thing with this old church is the pigeons are living in it. We might be able to get through there, but I'm not going to go through there. Oh, I could probably put you through here. There we go. Oh, you know what? No, that's been bolted. Oh, wow, look. What a mess. But have a look at that. The people have gotten in there. I mean, if I was thin enough, I'll just go through there. But I'm not going to get through there. Never mind. I mean, you sort of got a bit of a look. Right. There is a building next door that's abandoned as well. We can have a look at that one too. Oh, hang on. Hang on, there's a... Okay guys, I got him. Wow. It is so trashed. But we got him. I just got to be quiet. That's where I pointed the camera through that window. Someone's already tried to burn this. So we won't go walking through there. What a shame. What an absolute shame. Look what they've done. They've burnt it. Dickheads. Okay, I'm not going to spend too long in here. I don't want to get arrested for trespassing, but we'll make it quick. Right. Just got to be quiet. Oh wow, what's down here? Dark down there. I'm just going to go down in here. Make sure there's no squatters in here. Wow. Alright, I don't feel comfortable being in here on my own, especially this section. It feels a bit creepy, but I've still got to get out. Alright, we'll have one more last look and then we'll leave. Alright, we'll see you back outside. Now this is part of the church, but this has been burnt out, as you can see. I'm not going to go in there. That's too much of a hazard. But I'm glad I got into the church. Okay, well, I'll squeeze through here. Right. I guess it's not too bad. There's pigeons in here. Yeah, the burnt out remnants, this old home. Burnt out places, they make me feel sick. guy. Hello. Alright, I don't feel safe in here. I don't want to fall down there. Alright. Right next to that old church. I'll go for a bit of a walk down here. I was just in there, that big one. That was pretty cool, but it is burnt out. Don't feel safe in burnt out places. It's a damn shame to see that, to see all this. It actually feels like America. So if you liked this video, give it a like, please subscribe and leave a hype. And we'll see you in the next video. Cheers, peace out.